Good day to Professor Tadin, Dr. Samin Abdul Karim, and fellow friends. We are from Group 5 who will be presenting the title of Long-Distance Relationship Scheduling. I'm Upilon with my group members, Tong Siwan, Putri Aida Sakina binti Abdul Mazid, Putri Noraina Balkis binti Zaru, Raphil Shah Jinjun, Siti Norshahila binti Azmi, Siti Norshahira, and Shazwani binti Othman. This is our table of contents, including introduction, hypothesis, objective, methodology, demonstration, results and discussion, and suggestion for future works. I'll be presenting the introduction part. Our mobile applications will be focusing on overcoming challenges in long-distance relationship by enhancing scheduling, communications, and emotional bonding. Development of an AI-empowered mobile app specifically designed to enhance longevity in long-distance relationship. This presentation will delve into the methodology, demonstration, results, and discussion and future improvement. Hypothesis of these projects is the applications will contribute to strengthening the emotional bond between partners, mitigating the challenges of physical separation, and ultimately fostering a more resilient and satisfying long-distance relationship. It is expected that the integrated features will lead to increased satisfaction, improved communication, and a sense of connectedness, resulting in a positive impact on the overall well-being of couples in long-distance relationships. Our objectives are schedule optimization, communication enhancement, travel planning and providing emotional supports for both couples, and lastly, sleep reminders and notification systems.
For methodology part, there will be target user, data collection process, pre-processing steps, AI techniques, flowchart and diagrams, and user interface. For target user, our target is for individual users, couples, weather services, datasets providers, local event organizers, booking and reservation platforms, and lastly is local tourism boards and government agencies. And next, for data collection process, we use two kinds of AI, which is AI for schedule optimization and travel planning, and the next one is emotional support and communication analysis. So first, for AI schedule optimization and travel planning, so the first one we use multiple user profiles and preference datasets, and next is calendar datasets. The third one is weather datasets, and the fourth one is local events and activities datasets. The last one is for accommodation and flight datasets. The next AI, which is emotional support and communication analysis. So the first one we use social media and online activity datasets, and the second one is textual communication datasets. The last one is emotional expression datasets. The next one is pre-processing steps, and this flowchart shows us on how we resolve the problem of long-distance relationship scheduling.
We have the flowchart, and then this flowchart for the data pre-processing, we start with the start one is the problem definition, and we follow with a type of the data required, and data collection, data processing, and the feature selection and data splitting. Then we proceed to the modeling and model evaluation. And then we can see here we have a separate into the AI schedule optimization and travel planning, and the second one is the AI emotional support and communication analysis. Friends, the AI power system help long-distance couple by assessing their long value based on the demographic information and their relationship status. The system uses subjective input and multimedia data to understand the user feeling and future aspiration. The AI predict the love value, which is presented on a scale or truth icons. The system also provides practical schedule recommendation based on the predicted love value and user preference. The system also includes communication tools like text message and video call and AI-powered chatbot to offer advice and emotional support. Okay, for the next is AI technique. AI technique data collection for AI modeling involves validating profile of long-distance couples and frequency of communication. Okay, the second one is the collaborative filtering is a recommender system that considers shared preference between partner and allowing them to recommend activities, films, or events that they can enjoy together, thereby fostering shared experience and strengthening the emotional bond between the partner. And the third reason, neural network AI tools predict optimal communication time for couple in long-distance relationship. They identify weekend communication patterns, suggesting weekend calls to improve communication quality based on data from various couples.
In a world where loves know no boundaries, distance should never be a barrier. Introducing BeLove, the ultimate long-distance relationship scheduling app designed to bridge the gap and bring hearts closer no matter the distance apart. Our intuitive login page welcomes you into a world where love is just a click away. Start your journey of connectedness with a simple login. Our solutions are straightforward and can be found in the features of the app with AI techniques applied. The homepage, a dashboard that not only gives you quick access to messages and safe places, but also offers tailored dating tips. For cutting-edge AI technology including deep learning and temporal context analysis ensures personalized recommendations adapting to your unique love story. Now, with our next feature, couples are able to stay updated with their partners' whereabouts through the location sharing feature. Share your location effortlessly, nurturing trust and fostering a deeper connection between partners. Next, synchronize your schedule with our user-friendly calendar. Matching algorithms identify potential dates, adding the spark back to your relationship by suggesting exciting new experiences. It's not just a calendar, it's a promise of time well spent, synchronized seamlessly with your partner's schedule. Communicate seamlessly with the advanced messaging features. Our app ensures you stay connected and express your feelings without any hurdles. Empathy at its core, natural language processing integrates your chat for sentiment analysis, helping you understand each other better. Lastly, our search tools use machine learning to suggest locations that align with your shared interests. Love is more than just an app, it's a companion in your love journey. It's time to make every moment count, no matter the distance.
Next part is result and discussion. So we already conduct one survey to ask opinions to the long-distance relationships couples for our demo apps. So through the survey, we know that most of them are in long-distance relationships between 6 months to 1 year, and a few of them are having these long-distance relationships up to 2 years already. And from this survey, we can see that how often they communicate with their partner in a typical week, which is 46% of them communicate daily with their partner, and 46% of them also communicate 2 or 3 times a week, and 8% of them communicate once a week with their partner, which means we can see that some of the couples are doing well with communications, and some of them are doing poorly, which means they rarely have time to communicate with their partner. From this survey also, we know that most of them, which is 70% of them, communicate using messaging apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, iMessage to communicate with their partner, and 28% of them use phone calls to communicate with their partners. And half of them give rating 3/5 for the satisfaction for the current scheduling method that used to maintain the long-distance relationships, which means there are still a lot of them to improve for the current methods like messaging apps and else to these long-distance relationships partners. 40% of them think that time zone difference affect their ability to coordinate with their partner, which is they think that the time zone difference results in missed calls and meetings, and the other 26% also thinks the same, but they think that the time zone difference makes their scheduling difficult to communicate with their partner. It's not applicable to 32% of the respondents since their partners in the same time zone, even though they're in long distance relationship situations. More than half of the respondents thinks that the scheduling difficulties impact the quality of long-distance relationships by it leads to misunderstanding and conflicts, and followed by causes stress and frustrations to the respondents and the partners itself. Also, followed by results in missed opportunities to connect and affects the emotional well-being. 68% of the respondents find that mobile applications for the long-distance relationship scheduling will be helpful since it could help them to connect more often and it will simplify the coordinations of the relationships. We also asked the couples about the features that they are considered essential in the long-distance relationship scheduling app, which is most of them feels that the notifications and reminders are very helpful in these apps. And the second considered essentials is the shared calendar, so both of them can relate and know about each other's scheduling.
Now comes the section on suggestion for future work and is divided into 4 points to say. Firstly, location-based services. Consider introducing a feature that recommends the local activities and events in your partner cities. Exploring partnership with local businesses could add a unique touch to these experiences. Second, variable integration. Explore the possibility of integrating with variables for more than just health metrics. Think about gaining insights into your partner's emotional state through their smartwatch. Collaborating with leading electronics manufacturers could streamline this integration. Third, language and culture integration. To cater to a more diverse audience, think about making the apps multilingual and culturally diverse. Love non-boundaryless and embracing various languages and culture could enhance the app's appeal. Fourth, offline mode and sync. Consider implementing an offline mode, allowing users to access an essential feature even without an internet connection. Ensure seamless synchronization when connectivity is restored to maintain a real-time connection. Lastly, community building feature. Explore the idea of creating a community within the apps. Consider adding forums, discussion boards, or virtual events to provide a space for longer distance couples to connect, share experiences, and support each other. Thank you.